Today I will be discussing on how to encrypt and decrypt a message using the Playfair Cipher. For example, we have the password, monarchy, and a message Rivera. In encrypting in Playfair Cipher, pairs of letters are being encrypted. As our message Rivera, as you can see in the figure, this is how it encrypted. If our plain text or our message is, for example, we have Reyes, it has a old letters. Because in encrypting with Playfair Cipher, we need a pairs of letters. So we can simply add letter Z or X that usually used to pair with the odd letters. So in encrypting with the Playfair Cipher, we need a key table, which is it is a 555, which means we have only needing 25 alphabets, that usually we have 26 alphabets. So we should omitted one letters in that 26 alphabets in order to have 25. So usually in the first row, we will write here our password first, and the remaining boxes will be the remaining alphabets that was written orderly, as you can see in this key table. So as you can see, you cannot see here the letter J because I omitted this. So this is now our key table that we can use in encrypting the message, which is Rivera. Now, first we will know the Playfair Cipher rules in encrypting the message. First one is, if both the letters are in the same column, take the letter below each one. And the second rule is, if both letters are in the same row, take the letter on the right of each one. And lastly, if both letters form a rectangle with the two letters, take the letters on the horizontal opposite corner of the rectangle. So first, we will encrypt Ri. So in our key table, we locate Ri, that as you can see, it forms a square or rectangle, which in our Playfair Cipher rule, if both letters form a rectangle with the two letters, take the letters on the horizontal opposite corner of the rectangle. So we will search of the opposite of N. So R is encrypted as N and I is encrypted as L, because it is her opposite. So we have NN. So let's move on to VE. So VE is located as in same column, which in our Playfair Cipher rules, if both letters are in the same column, take the letter below each one. So means we will move from E to P. So E is encrypted as P and V is encrypted as M. Since no letter here, we will move from here to this. So we have now MP. So let's move on to RA. RA is located in the same row, which in our Playfair Cipher rules, if both letters are in the same row, take the letter to the right of each one. So means we will move to the right. So A is encrypted as R and R is encrypted as M. Since no letter here, we will move from here to here. So now we have MR. So how to decrypt now this encrypted message? So using the same key table, we will decrypt this encrypted text. So we have also the Playfair Cipher rules in decryption of the message, or in decryption of the encrypted message. So first one is, if both the letters are in the same column, take the letter bottom of each one. And the second rule is, if both letters are in the same row, take the letter to the left of each one. And lastly, if the two letters form a rectangle with the two letters, and take the letters on the horizontal opposite corner of the rectangle. So This is we use again this key table to decrypt the encrypted message. So we will now decrypt this encrypted message. So first we will locate in the key table the NL. So as the Playfair Cipher rule, if both letters form a rectangle with the two letters, take the letters on the horizontal opposite corner of the rectangle. So now we will search for its opposite in decrypting this message. So N is decrypted as R and L is decrypted as I. So we have now RI. Now let's move on to MP. MP is located in the same column, which in the Playfair Cipher rules in decryption, if both the letters are in the same column, take the letter bottom each one. So means from P, we will have E. Then M, since no letter here, we will move from here to here. So it encrypted as V. So we have now VE. So now let's move on to MR. So MR is located in the same row as our Playfair Cipher rules in the decryption. If both letters are in the same row, take the letter to the left of each one. So we will move to the left. So R is encrypted as A and M is encrypted as R. Since no letter here, we will move from here to here. So we have now the Rivera. So that's how we decrypt and encrypt a message using the Playfair Cipher.